So I just looked at the time for the voice recording of last video, and it was somehow, I gotta hurry up before I miss that light. It was somehow only 22 minutes. So I don't know. I guess I'm riding too fast. Which like blows my mind because I don't even go fast. So I'm not sure how that's a problem that I've managed to create, but it is. I should probably, what I think I'm gonna have to do is, instead of turning around here every time, go, ooh, a Supra, is go a little bit further down the road. That way it's not always a short, nice Supra, dude. Okay, yeah, that answers that question. We definitely couldn't hit 100 in second gear very quickly. It's crazy how much faster a vehicle becomes when you don't shift when you're supposed to. When you wait till very close to the limiter to shift. It's crazy how much of a difference that makes. Cars and bikes. Damn, I haven't really given this bike enough credit because I've never really pushed it that hard. But if I did, I'd probably have a lot more respect for it. I mean, I did just from that. But that was, I'm impressed. Not bad. For a 19-year-old 600, not bad at all. Got an old Corvette right here. EA classic vehicle. He definitely won't race, right? Nah. I'm finally starting to work out again. I've been posting about it on Instagram, so I'm trying to get some size back. It's gonna be a process, especially because I haven't really cared to eat much lately, but I'm working on it. I'm trying to get there. I'm hoping by the time you guys see this video, I will have gained at least 5 or 6 pounds. Because I think this one's going to be August, I want to say like 21st or whatever. Yeah. No. That won't be this video. That'll be, so this video should be the 28th, I think this video will be the 28th of August, and it is currently July 13th. One of those two. I will have the correct text on the screen for you. I think they should put more stickers on their bumper. I don't think there's enough. Why is there so much traffic in the left lane and on the right? Because people don't know how to drive, that's why. Answered my own question. And I almost just said my full name. Not my full name, but like my first name. That would have been bad. You can go up to the white line up there. That's what they're for. That's where you're supposed to stop at. You got this person over it and this person way behind it. I don't know how to flirt with anybody or interact with them. It's like, even if I did see somebody while I was riding, I'd probably just stare at them or like, I don't know, punch their car or something, kick it. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just stare at them and hope that something happens, even though all they see is a visor. I definitely want to redo that runway race now. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but a while back I did a race on a actual runway, like for airplanes, against my 650. Yeah, I raced my own bike. this one versus the 650, and it was somewhat close, but that's because I was shifting way too early. Now that I know how to go much faster on this, I'd love to redo it and see the difference. Because I usually shift around 7,000 or 8,000 RPM. In a race, you should wait till like 14. Oh no. I have again burnt my kneecap on the frame. Just curious, me personally, when I used to watch a lot of YouTube, I would always watch it right before I'd go to bed. So I'd usually be watching around like 1 a.m., 1 or 2 a.m. I would watch it for anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour before I'd go to bed. But I'm curious, what time do you guys watch my videos usually? I know it's not always like, for most people, it's not usually the same time every single day, like, oh, I always watch it at this time. It's typically tends to be like a whenever I can type thing, but I'm just curious, like, what time do you guys usually watch my videos? Let me know. There's so many illegal things I want to do for videos, but I have too much stopping me right now. 2 years. In 2 years, might be a different story. So, if I keep this up for that long, which as of right now I plan to, but if people don't care to watch or don't enjoy it, there's no point in still going. As of now, I plan on 2 years, like, easily, but in those 2 years from now, it might be a different story, put it that way, about the illegal stuff. But I would never do anything illegal, as I was saying. That was just all jokes. I have no front right turn signal right now, so these people don't know I'm turning. I get pranked. You didn't even know, dude. Never let them know your next move. For real. Don't even have turn signals installed. That way they can't know. Inspections are optional. I should probably stop. Nope, I'm cutting that one out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, let me know in the comments what time you guys usually watch. I'm curious. And I just kind of like knowing stuff about you guys, because you know way too much about me. So it's only fair. But, oh, I'm going to have to check that to make sure the sun didn't just go right through my visor. It's an op for real, trying to expose me. But yeah, let me know down in the comments. Feel free to abuse that like button if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day, evening, night, week, all of it. Whatever it may be for you. Whichever one fits best, pick it. But, thank you. I'll see you later.